Hi friends, today we are going to talk about different ways you can crochet on your shoe soles, as in different stitches you can use on your shoe soles. Before we continue, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below this video and the notification bell so that you will not miss out in any one of my videos. 1. Slip stitch, like the one on the screen, you can see it. So I have so many designs I made with after crocheting slip stitch on the sole. You can see it. You can watch out the slice. You can see the blue design. I see orange design, then black. So many of them, even wedge, heel. So many of them. You can see the yellow, then black with touch of yellow. 2. No stitch. So we can also work without any stitch on the sole. So this method I use adhesive. You can see it. I use adhesive on this particular one. So I have so many designs of this pattern. You can see this one, the carton color and brown. You can see this neat design, then the brown. And I also have black, different designs of them, even wedge, heel. So many of them. You can see this one. You can see white and black. There's many of them. 3. You can also make either 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4 single crochets, or even 5 or more on your soles. So I have so many designs I make after working those designs, crochet stitches on the soles. You can see it. You can see many designs of them. So I have so many of them, both flat, wedge, heel, cover shoe, sandals. So I have many of them. Yeah. So thank you. This is all I have for today. So please subscribe below this video and also share to your friends. Thank you.